Hi darlings, welcome back to the channel with another video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to prepare granite soup, okay? But since my mother-in-law is with me, I do check her BPs every morning. So she is a non-hypertensive client. She's already on medication, but we always check to monitor how it is going. So I do this for her every morning and evening since she's around, okay? Yeah, but the BP machine is for her. That is what she's been using, okay? So she didn't sleep early last night, so I know it's going to be a bit high, but since she has taken her medication, it will be stabilized soon, okay? So yeah, let's check this BP and afterwards head towards the kitchen. So it's a bit high, as I said earlier, due to inadequate sleep, okay? So yeah, that is it. And the pool balloons that I bought for these girls, the swimming balloons, that is what they are using as chairs in the house. Can you imagine? So guys, all done. So going to the kitchen to prepare my soup, okay? So yeah, let's start cooking guys. So in here I have my veggies that I'm going to wash and put on fire. So in here I have my fresh tomatoes, I have turkey berries, I have onions, and my pepper as well. So it's on fire, and once it is done, I'll pour it down and we continue with the soup, okay? So yeah, my veggies are cooked and I'm going ahead to prep the granite paste. So that is my granite paste. I'm going to add my tomatoes puree and then blended pepper, okay? Yeah, so I'm adding my blended tomatoes puree and my powdered pepper as well. So if I'm mixing it up, and anytime you are doing this, please try and then put the tomatoes puree and the granite together first before you put water, like before you add the water, okay? When you do it like this, it helps bring the oily parts very faster than you adding water like from the start now, then you add up your water. That is something I have done and I think it's worth sharing, okay? So yeah, that is it. So once I'm done here, I'll go and put this on fire and I'll make it cook until I see the oil on the surface. Then it is ready. Then I'll go ahead with the cooking, okay? So fam, this is it on fire and the oil is coming some more, okay? So once this is done, I'll go ahead and wash my meat that I'll be using for the soup, and then that one too will be on fire. So here I needed to take some breakfast because they had already eaten, but I needed to put the granules on fire before I eat. By the time I'll be done, then this one too is ready. So as you are looking, it is very ready. So I took it off fire and then I set it aside. And that is my vegetable sitting there too. So yeah, I'm going to wash my meat. So I used chicken, okay? Yes, I used chicken for this. And also added a bit of cow meat to it, with the skin as well, and some willoughby to it, you know, to balance the taste, okay? So yeah, once I am done, I'll go ahead and add my spices to it, and then I'll add my salt to taste, and then my tomato puree, then it will go on fire. So yeah, I was adding some of the cow meat and then my willy papabi, yes, to it. So we continued from there. So I was done. I added my ginger and garlic. I added blended one, and I added powdered pepper as well as the Remy spice. So I added part of its chicken, and I also added part of the cow. This one is goat, yes, because I didn't get for cows. So I added a bit of the goat one too as well, and yeah, that was good to go. And then I added my salt to also taste. Okay, so yeah, once I am done, I'll go ahead and put in small water, and then I'll go and put it on fire. I'll be adding my tomato puree to it before I take all to the fire. Okay, so yeah, adding my tomato puree to it, then I'll cover it for it to cook, then come back for like 5-10 minutes time to check it on, and then we continue from there. Okay, so yeah, if you are new to the channel, you are warmly welcome, and thank you so much for coming here. Okay, I really do appreciate you all. Please, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, like, share, comment down below at the comment section. So yeah, I checked in the meat and it was looking good. Okay, so it was time for me to go and blend my veggies, but I started with the turkey berry first before I added other vegetables later, because you know the turkey berries is a bit harder, so I blended that one first before adding up all other vegetables that's were left. Okay, so after blending, I'm going to put in my granite and then add this blended veggies to it, and then I will be done soon. Okay, so yeah, this is it. I forgot I had some natural spice, so when I remembered, I added up to it. Okay, because that natural spice has a very nice flavor and this soup needed that. So yeah, the chicken is okay now, so I'm going ahead and put my garden sorry, my granite paste mixed already. So once I am done putting it in, I'll go ahead and add the blended vegetables as well. So yeah, enough of the talking. Let me leave you guys to enjoy this video. But please don't forget to like if you haven't, subscribe, and be part of this beautiful and amazing family. So yeah, I've also added my vegetables to it, and that is it. Okay, so our soup is ready, and we are going to pair it with some banku. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do like this video for me and leave your comments down below at the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you. Bye.